Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-T830DW printer driver and download. So after this search in Google search box, you will get the result support.brother.com. Just click on it. This is other four operating system also there: Mac, Linux, mobile. So Windows 11, and then click to OK. Server also there. You can, if you require, so you can download. Installations process same. This is driver. This is printer USB driver, and click to download. Okay, then agree and download. Scroll down, it will start downloading. So after it is downloaded, then this is search locations where it is downloaded. Then just right click to copy and all minimize paste on desktop, because of this is very easy to install. Then right click and open. Okay, so it is extracted on same locations. Now you connect your printer to your system via USB cable and then click to start. Then go to setting. Then click to printer and devices. And this is the printer scanner. Click on it, add. After add, manual options show after 5 minutes. Like this. Click on it. Last. Next. Next. Click on have disk. Then browse. Come to back this folder. Select open and select this i.inf. Okay, okay. Now you have to find, it's 830. Oh, this one. Then next, next. Now this is installing. Then next, finish. So your printer is installed. So restart your system and printer also, and then please check it.